Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use slot mat like this. If you have problem to make the bolt center on this slot hole like this, don't be confused. That's why we will use slot mat. Go to mat, go to mechanical mat, click slot mat, click this face and this face. See? In constraint parameter, you can set position of the bolt. You can choose free or center in slot, distance along slot, or percent along slot. In this case, I use free. Okay. See? Now we will use slot mat again. Click slot, click this face and this face. Now we choose center in slot. See? Let's try distance along slot. See? See, we can change the distance. Let's try percent along slot. Maybe percent along slot and distance along slot have a same function. In this case, I use center in slot and click OK. See? Now you know how to use slot mat. That is quick tips. See ya.